Let's learn how to make this easy V shape and simple turban base. Yeah, so for our measurement, we'll be needing 36 inches length by 12. 36 inches length by 12 for the V shape. The next measurement we'll be needing for the body is 35 inches by 14 and a half. Mind you, the 14 and a half is on fold. So if you open it up, it's going to be 29. This is for the body. Then the next measurement is for our handle. I cut 16 here. You can cut 14 or 15 for the handle. I will be needing 2 pieces of that. So I pick up my material for our V shape and I fold it in. So we'll fold one side in and sew down. We'll fold it on double and sew it down to the end. So as you can see, I finished sewing it down. So we'll fold it in again like 1 inch, then we'll sew it down. I'm done sewing it down. So now we'll start forming our pleats for the base. So we'll pleat it and sew it down one after the other. We can see I'm able to get like 4 pleats. You can make it 5, you can make it 6. So the next thing to do is you fold it into 2 equal parts. Then get your measurement tape and measure 2 inch. Mark that point. Then slant it up. Just as you are seeing, slant it up and sew it down. Yes, like that. Just slant it up and sew it down. As you can see, I'm done sewing it down. Wow, look at our V shape. Isn't this beautiful? So the next thing we'll do is to trim it trim off the excess. Please don't trim everything because we are going to be weaving it. Don't trim off everything. Leave some part for weaving. And we'll be weaving it separately. We're not weaving it together. We'll weave it separately. We'll weave one side at a time. I am done weaving it separately. So the next thing to do is to get your iron and iron it so that it can lay flat. Please let's be careful not to make the iron too hot. Iron it so that it can lay flat. I'm done ironing. So the next thing to do is to notch the middle of our V shape. Then we also get the material for the body. We fold it into 2 to get the middle also. Then we notch it. We notch it. Flip it open gently and put in your V shape band. Let the middle meet the middle. Close it up, then pin it down so that it won't be moving from one place to the other. Pin it down properly, then sew from one end to the other. Just that one end to the other. Yes, I'm done sewing and I've turned it out. Can you see? So the next thing to do now is to fold it into two. Fold it into two equal parts. Then get your measuring tape. Remember, this material I use here is a non-stretchy material. Get your tape and mark 14. Mark 14 and sew down on 14. By the time you open it, it will be 28, so that it can fit all head size. You know, it's a non-stretchy material. We're going to put belts. Mark and sew down on 14.